What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy LB, and today I'm gonna talk about Focus. Focus is a screen recording tool designed by creator, educator, software reviewers, and anyone who need to clear professional screen captures with a smart auto zoom, AI-powered editing, auto subtitles, and beautiful template. It helps you to create polished video and demo videos nicely. Guys, and I'm going to just, for example, click here on this window. For example, I'm going to download this Focus, okay, and then I came here to click here in this case by reviewing something about this Focus website, okay. So now let's see how it works. So guys, so here I'm in website of Focus, okay. So here, and then you just come here to download this software, cause me I have already downloaded, okay. So and then now let me just open this Focus, okay. And then guys, you see how this software it comes, okay. So and then here it has some different features. Here you can just record like a full screen. Here you can customize. For example, if I just want to customize, then here you select where you just want to record, okay. So and then you come here and then you just close, okay. And then if you just want to record the window, you can just record the window or device, okay. And then let me choose here for recording a full screen, for example, okay. Now you see here guys, I have already the full screen on my screen, okay. And then guys, here if you have the camera on your laptop or your computer, directly your face will be a variable here, because I'm using desktop. The reason why face is not a variable here, but this is the place where your face will be if your computer has a camera, okay. So now, and I'm going to start record, okay. So then I'm going to start recording. So let me start recording by pressing here, okay. Now you see what is happening. So guys, and I'm going to just, for example, click here on this window. For example, I'm going to download this Focus, okay. And then I came here to click here for this case by reviewing something about this Focus website, okay. And then I click here for free download. Guys, I'm just clicking because after I will show you the reason why I'm clicking this, okay. So I have already done, okay. So when you have already done recording your things, so now it's time to click here on stop. Now you just wait a few seconds. Now you see directly the Focus it opened where you can edit the video that you have been recorded, okay. So and then this is the timeline, okay. You see guys, and then where I have been clicked, guys, as I told you, this software it has auto zoomed, okay. Where I pressed, for example, when I play or click here on, now you see it is already zoomed directly where I'm going to press, okay. So and click here, this, even this one too, okay. So guys, that means where I have been clicked by using my mouse, yes, this software has auto zoomed, okay. You see guys what is happening, and then you see where your face will be. So and then here for this canvas size, guys, it has some different size, okay. If you just want the video which is in this size 16:9, okay, that means it is this one, okay. If you just want like a portrait video, you see how this video it looks like, okay. And then when you click here for this custom, it has more kinds of size, okay, depend where you just want to upload, maybe on YouTube, you see, on TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, something like that, okay. So for me, let me choose this YouTube 16:9, okay. You see how it is. And then here too we have some different settings, okay. If you just want to increase your screen recording, guys, you see guys, you can just increase, okay. And then here for this insert, if you just want to add like a border, okay, you see you increase the border, okay. And then here for this roughness, for this roundness, if you just want to smooth these edges, okay, you see something like this, you can do it, okay. Or you can just put it as rectangle as usual. And then if you just want to add the shadow, you see there is a shadow here, okay. All right, and then so let me go here on this car cursor, that means it is mouse, okay. And here too there is some different kind settings of my mouse. If you just want to increase the size of mouse, this I mean my mouse which I have been recorded, okay, this one. If I just want to increase the size of my mouse, you see guys, you can increase the size or decrease. And then here there is some different the mouse, you can choose any mouse you like, okay. For example, let me use this red one, okay. And then here there is some click effects, okay. For example, where I have been clicked, you see guys, here I have been clicked on these user cases, okay. If I just want to add like an effect, for example, let me add this one. When you click, these fireworks will be, okay. For example, when I click here on it, you see what it is happening, guys. You see, this is very nice, guys, okay. And then if you just want to add like click sound, you can just enable, there's no problem, okay. And then here for this animation blur, it is the animation blur of your smooth, okay, your zoom, okay, something like this. Here you can just increase or decrease depend what the kind of effect you want, guys, okay. You see guys, click here, okay. If you just want the effect which is going fast, you can just increase here, okay. So let me just reset as usual. All right, you see how the things it is, guys. And then let me come here for this camera, guys. As I told you, if your computer has the camera, I told you the face will be a variable here, okay. So for me, I don't have the camera which is connected to my computer. So and then here there is some settings where you can put your camera, your face, okay. You can put it up or down here. Also guys, you can use this template, okay. Your face can be here and then the screen can be here, okay, by teachings or when you are teaching, making video tutorial or reviewing something else, okay. Also guys, you can just adjust. For example, if you just want to put it where you want, okay. For example, I'm using this cycle, and then yeah, you just want to adjust where your face will be, or you can increase or decrease something like this, okay. For example, let me just put it here, okay. And then you click here, apply. This is where your face will be when you choose, okay. Your face will be, and then so here and then you can just increase this camera loudness, okay. If you just want to make it as a square or cycle, you can do it something like this, okay. Or you can enable the mirror, okay. If you are looking left, you can just reverse and then you look light, something like that, okay. Yeah, this is pretty good, okay. And then here just it is some filters, you can just edit for yourself, okay. When if you just want like a warm, or just you want like a cold, you can just click on it when you have like your face here. Yeah, this is pretty nice, okay. So and then here there is camera frames, your camera borders, okay. Also you can just add like any color you want, okay. So now let me come here for this audio, guys. About this audio here, there is some settings of audio here. You can just mute any audio. If you just want to mute it, you can increase the volume enhancement, something like that, okay, or decrease, okay. Yeah. And about this caption, guys, it is subtitles, okay. For example, here I have already talked, understand, focus, okay. And then I came here to, and for example, I just want to add like subtitle, so I have to come here for this advanced mode, and then because I just want the subtitle English, okay, in English, and then I have to click here on generate. So and I have to wait just a few seconds, okay. So these subtitles will be generated. All right, so now you see here I got my subtitle, and then when I try to play, you see how it is, okay. And then I came here to click here, you see guys what the sound is saying, and then this is the subtitles, okay. So here and then this is the all subtitles, all the text of the whole video that have been recorded, okay. Guys, this software, it is pretty amazing, okay. And then here there is some style. If you just want to increase the font, you see you can increase the font, okay, or spacing, you see guys, put it up or put it down, okay. You can just put at the middle of your screen, or you can put at the top, or you can put it at the bottom, whatever you want. Okay, so you see guys how you can edit these subtitles. Okay, this is pretty amazing guys. And then so let me come here for this watermark guys. Okay, so about this watermark, it's like logo. If you just want to add like logo on your video, so you can just drag any logo you have. For example, let me put it my logo here, directed by LB. Okay, and then here you see directory, it becomes here, and then you can just put it at the center. You can just put any position you want. Okay, left and right, middle, any, just you can put it any position you want guys. Okay, you can all increase the size of it. Okay, something like this, or you can just go here on this custom position, and then you drag and then you move it where you just want your logo be. Okay, and then you click here on this apply guys. So you see this focus guys, it is works nice. It can just help you to record video, it can helps you to edit video in just few seconds, in just a few minutes. About this watermark, and then you have to purchase this software in order to get the software which doesn't have the watermark. Okay, just you put your logo, any logo you want, without the watermark of this focus free. Okay, this is how it works. All right, so now you have been seeing this focus. It helps you to record video on your screen, edit directly in few minutes. So guys, save your time by using this focus. And if you just want this software, you can check the link in the description down below, and then you get it. Thank you guys, and I will see you in next video. Peace.